Avstar is the global market leader in mobile attribution and marketing analytics. We help marketers optimize their ad spend and have visibility into their performance marketing campaigns. Every time I have a new project, I just use Fiverr. We've done a variety of different projects with Pfeiffer. A lot of product videos for different products and features, but also quite a lot of customer testimonials in Spain, Brazil, US, India. The last time we've used Fiverr was for doing a customer testimonial in Brazil. We've interviewed 4 different customers with local producer. The quality of the videos was really, really amazing. When I use Fiverr, I can focus only on the work that needs to be done. I don't have to go through the hassle of contracts and negotiations and logistics and financials. Fiverr takes away the risk for me of working with the wrong freelancer and wasting quite a lot of money and time and get results I'm not happy with. And this is why I trust Fiverr and the talents they work with, because I always got quality projects. If I had any advice to give to anyone that wants to use Fiverr, just try it. It will help you focus on the job that needs to be done, and it helps you scale.
Hi, I'm Tim.
And I'm Dan, and we're the co-founders of Harvest.
And we make bags for visionaries in motion.
Harvest got its start with a series of tailored backpacks.
We love wearing backpacks. Growing up in school, we were always wearing backpacks. When we get into work, we couldn't find anything that was more professional for the work environment.
I often found that when trying to run a business that's bigger than yourself, you're gonna need help. Can't do it on your own. And that's why I think where Fiverr comes in.
We really wanted to make a interesting and engaging founder story. So we thought maybe the best format would be through an animation, but we really didn't know how to go about finding someone that could do the illustrations and an animation. So we just looked it up on Fiverr and found a couple great options.
We haven't used Fiverr just for video content. We also used it to help optimize our website, build content, and work on legal terms and conditions.
As well as copywriting. We were really surprised to find that level of quality. We thought it was going to be way beyond our budget, but a lot of the freelancers were actually able to work within our budget, and it was affordable and also of high execution.
I feel comfortable knowing that Fiverr has our back in case anything goes wrong.
So like us, our customers are always on the go, so it's pretty easy to use the app to chat with people, get pretty quick answers for anything we need. Being a small but growing brand, we have to definitely do a lot more with less.
And when you want to create a business bigger than yourself, you're going to need a lot of help. And that's what Fiverr does.